Hey, Dad, I'm about to hit school. Alright, Jimmy, you have fun now. Wait a minute, hold up. Your outfit. What? The purple is a man's color, okay? I'm tired of hearing it. No, not your shirt. I mean, like, your face. Where's your mask, Jimmy? What? Nobody's gonna be there. I'm just gonna be chilling, okay? Jimmy, the mask isn't just to help you. It's to help other people. Fine, you want me to wear a mask? Wear a mask. Jesus. Alright, I got the mask, okay? Wait, do I have to keep this on all day? What in the poppycock of this household did you just say to me right now, Jimmy? What? The what is that people like your grandpa could die from this virus, okay, Jimmy? Oh. I don't want Granddad to die. Well, it sounds like it, Jimmy. It really does sound like it. I'll wear the mask. Thank you, Jimmy. I'll see you later, Dad. Do you have hand sanitizer? Yes, I have sanitizer. Show it to me. Show me the hand sanitizer. I got the foam one. I got this one, spray one. They're both foam. Look, I have tons of sanitizer, as you can already see, Dad. I am safe, okay? It's all good. I'm going to school right now. You have a nice day.